Hello everyone, and welcome back. This is Brown Stock Picker 60, and in the vise this morning I have a challenge lock from my good friend Jason Carlson, number 85. He pinned it 4/30/19, and he named this Herpes, and I haven't gotten into it and haven't tried it, so we'll see. It doesn't open all the way because the cam's hitting the vise. Trying to be a little quiet because it's probably 3:30 in the morning. People sleeping. Can you slide this a little closer? Okay. Let's see. Yeah, it's most likely is going to be a bear. I don't have enough to show you the key. That's the bidding. Let's see, because it's hard to get around there. I'm going to use the Attila 50 thousandths. Okay. Now I can make that turn. It might be a long video. Wow, okay. Looked like 3 gave me a nice full set. Okay. Yeah, this quick set is not my whoa! Holy crap! I was about to say quick set are not my favorite locks. Let's see. You can see the actuator was hitting the back of the vise. Oh crap, that surprised the crap out of me. I was just talking about it. I'm going to set it right here. Get my vise out of the way. Wow, that really shocked the crap out of me. Come on. Wow. Oh, come on. Yeah. I had to keep a little, I'm going to lock it. Get this off. Hold on. Had to keep my excitement down a little bit. Because everyone's asleep. But if not, I would have been yelling high heaven. Wow. It's exciting when you pick a lock, but when you pick one from someone else that you haven't had a chance to pick before. Yeah, this is awesome. Wow. Sorry. Like T-pin galore or something. That's not gonna work. Well, Here goes nothing. I'm gonna have to try that. Follow it. Okay. Did the old ninja move on it. Okay, it's only a 5-pin key. You can see everything had to be picked. Let me get my poker. Yep. Okay. 1 is chamomile. 2 and 3 threaded. 4 and 5 chamomile. Man, I am excited as a picking crap. All right. Come on, baby. Come on. Look like they're all standard, except 2 and 3. It's like double serrated. Double serrated. And the rest are, like I said, the rest are standard. You get this. Okay, let's go. Okay. One is a beautiful spool. Copper spring. You keep getting out of focus. Or out of frame. Hold on. Triple serrated or so. Same kind of spring. Oh, come on. Focus. Serrated spool type. I'll show you the one here. Same type spring. Whoa. That's shot out. That's fine. That's some beautiful work. Steel. And there we go. And copper. And nothing done to the core or to the Bible. Excuse me, he put some nice work into these. Come on, focus. Maybe it's too close. There we go. This is, look at that. Come on, baby. Look at that. It's almost like an hourglass with a very, very sharp. One end is sharp. Check that puppy out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 or 5 serrations. Look at that, beautiful. A spool with 3 serrations, and if I can grab it, come on, baby. Okay, put it in my hand. All right, so don't want to focus, but it's beautiful, beautiful pins. Okay, number 4. Come on, you piece of crap. And it's almost like I want to throw this camera out the window. Anyway, it's like bevel in the center. I'm OCD, so I will try to get this to focus. Okay, I had to turn the light off. Turn this around. See what I mean? It's almost like a trampoline. There's another name for it, but that's what the Texas gym used to call it. And look at that beautiful thing. I don't know if you can notice it, but on the, let's drop it. Anyway, on the top here, it has the little serrations. I'll turn the light back on. All right, everyone. That's the lock we have for you today. Herpes by Jason Carlson. It was a fun lock, and I didn't believe I could get it open as quick as I did, but I'm glad I did. All right, everyone. Until next time, be safe, be legal. As always, stay calm and pick on. Thanks a lot, everyone. Bye-bye.